Thank you for watching this instructional video on the proper usage and procedures of the SEVE range of automatic tumble dryers. In this video, we'll show you how to load the laundry, operate the machine, and what to do once the cycle is complete. Before we begin though, we need to make sure that our laundry is sorted like for like. So for example, sheets with sheets, towels with towels, and so on. The reason we do this is because different items dry at different rates, and those that dry faster are at risk of over drying, which damages the fibers and shortens the linen life. Before loading the machine, we need to make sure that the drum is free of any foreign objects which could damage your linen. Thereafter, we can load the freshly laundered items into your tumble dryer. Today we're using a SEVE 15 kg dryer, but all SEVE tumble dryers are fully programmable, meaning it's as simple as selecting your program and pressing the start button. All SEVE dryers feature an auto reverse function as standard, which means the drum will rotate in the opposite direction every 45 seconds. The purpose is to prevent items from bunching up in the drum and instead keep them tumbling freely to ensure they dry completely. When the cycle is complete, the machine will automatically stop and sound an alert to let you know. Press the stop button to turn off the alert. Unload the freshly dried items once the cycle is complete, or open the door to allow the hot air to escape. Either way, don't allow the items to stand. If there's any hot air trapped inside the items, it can continue to build up. In terms of maintenance, the dryer is fitted with an internal lint filter. This needs to be cleaned on a daily basis. If the lint's left to build up, it can affect the performance of the dryer, and in extreme cases, it can become a fire hazard. The door seal should also be wiped on a daily basis to remove any dirt or lint which could prevent it from sealing correctly. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please refer to your owner's manual.